Hey. We're here at the Crossroads Car Show Teen Challenge. Let's take a walk into the Corral. We have a red carpet entry. Let's take a look, see what kind of caliber of cars we got in this year's edition in the Corral. John D. 51 Mercury, a Roto Bearish tribute car. The John D. Agostino. That's pretty, huh? And we got the Riddler winner, Stephen Frisbee, 334 Roach out of Oregon. That's what you see when you walk in, the best of the best.
That's me.
Beautiful, huh? Renaissance Roadster.
This year was a different car. In 2017.
Well, it don't matter. Oh. 65. Oh.
A Foose design.
It's done. It stops the problem. So it's going to end up, this is what I'm down to, because I've been through so many scenarios. Either he got a box with the camshaft he thought he was getting, wasn't in it, or it was mismatched.
Probably one of my favorite.
Yeah, I asked the guy.
Beautifully prepared.
If you're aware that most of these timing control stuff is from the straight up 30 over 30 over, which total is like 10 degrees per minute. And we go, well, yeah. I said, did you put it on the straight up center one and not accidentally put it on the retard? Nope, I don't think I did. So, or worse yet, one.
Here's Rick's Sinister. Slam 36. Beautiful. We got Darren DWS, another award-winning pickup truck, local out of Huntington Beach, California. Deservingly so. Needs to be in the Corral. How about that? Oh.
What do you think? End up here, find some water.
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Yeah. Yeah. That is because they run two-ish. Two to 2. Yeah. Dano's driving.
Beautiful rod too.
Absolutely. Yeah.
You need to buy a Chevy, that's what he needs to get.
Right, you too, Chevy. Actually, I own 3. I own a Chevy. I own a $4 Honda. So I got it covered.
Well, you got the truck still, huh?
Fred's Buick.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, they're quite about this song.
I used to roll with another group of guys, and they all sit down and pay.
Pardon me?
Hey. Pete Ashlock out of Vegas. We saw him at the Good Guys. This here was also 56. Nomad Gino. Katie. Oh, that's pretty, huh? 63 on bags. Look what they've done, huh? That trunk is pretty cool. Looks like a suitcase on the end. It houses the speakers. Wow. That is pretty cool. Lifestyle. Low rider. Look at that. Little town special.
So you don't see the hip.
Oh, that's beautiful. Hey, hey. Look at that.
Howdy!
Pete, what
So
up?
we meet again.
Yeah. Yeah, little birdie told me you were here. Yeah, you guys roll together all the time, so see one, you gotta see you both. Yeah, it's a good show. You got a good spot. You got some shade for yourself.
Finally.
Yeah.
Been in the sun all morning.
Yeah. Wow. So what's gonna be the next show?
What is the next show? We're going to, I think, the one in Riverside.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, that comes up, yeah.
That's the end of this month, I believe.
Right. Yeah, next,
Show and go.
Show and go, okay, yeah. Next Saturday down Seal Beach. That's a big one, Saturday, Seal Beach.
Saturday?
Yeah, that sells out a year ahead of time. So, that's where I'll be, at the beach.
I couldn't make anything next week.
Yeah. Well, good, Pete. Looks awful good. Looks beautiful as always.
Well, thank you.
Good seeing you. Oh, look at this. Roberts. Awesome. Truck. Look how good that shines. Hey, it's Gary. Hey, Gary, how you doing? Beautiful. Robert Maldonado. La Puente. That's so special. 427. It's awesome. Awesome. What? This one comes with a boat attached. Hey, Steve. He's got his nose over there. Wow. Here it is. Gary's got a spot in the corral. Wow. Ooh. Check it out. Kathy Garner, her 32 V8 in the corral. HB Car Club represent. Ooh. Look at that. How pretty. Her 32 V8. We'll see a lot of this summer. Oh, just Dennis. Yep, Dennis and Jenny McGrath's 351C Mustang. Look at that. Look at this spotlessly beautiful. Ha. Look at this. Fitting. It's perfect. Wow. This has got to be the coolest spot right here. Yeah. You must have paid. Yeah, you must have paid big bucks for this spot.
Yes, we did.
Well, actually, we were recording, but yeah. Wow. I could just stand here for the rest of the day and just record you guys. The numbers just popped up now. Wow. This is why I never leave early. This is why I usually don't eat. There's too much to do. Steve!
Hey, Dan.
I saw the Nova over there.
You did?
Yeah, I called for you, but you didn't hear me. I was way on the other side.
Right. How are you, buddy?
Good, yourself?
Just hanging out in the shade.
Good, good, yeah, I know. Shady guys.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah, shady guys.
Yeah, there you go. Shady guys. That's pretty good.
Yeah, good, good, good.
We're still car guys.
Yeah, anything new?
Just that car. No, but it looks better and better, right?
No new build in the works?
Soon. I'm going to do a new Willys chassis that'll look like a new version of a gasser, not an old gasser build, but a new, like, modern gasser out of a over 41 Willys.
Cool.
There you go.
When can we expect a debut?
Grand National coming up.
Wow, that soon.
Oh, of course. Really, dude? I'm getting older by the day, man. I gotta hurry up.
We'll be back later, fellas. Let's do, huh? Wow. What a bubble top. Sweet.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry I couldn't be here last night.
Grand Sport 59. That was part of that post I put up. Post or no post. 259s were exiting the Orange Show last week.
But Nicole asked me to be here, and I said just yes. Instead of checking my calendar and realizing that I had another function I had to be at the same time, which means a lot to me. It's
Going slow.
society that I belong to in Connecticut. So we had a fundraiser last night. So I had to
Yeah,
stay for
Gators.
that. We
Fun tech.
raised, I think it was
Mustang.
$1,000, or just with two auctions, tours of my garage. There was two guys, they both bid $8,000, and then we said if you offered $1,000, we'll put on a big barbecue for you all. So it was pretty cool. I think we raised over $75,000 last night for the autism families, Connecticut.
Look at that.
And so we
That's
put
Gator.
that out at about midnight, and I got home at 1, in bed, up at 4 on the plane this morning at 5 after 6, and here I am. And 5 after 6 was 5 after 4. Well, yeah, but that's okay. And then I'll be on the plane at 9:05 tonight on my way home because we film it tomorrow morning at 9:05.
Another bubble top.
So,
Really? Oh. Aren't you glad they painted it orange? Oh, doesn't that snap?
give out, I think, tomorrow about 2.
Wow.
So, but it's a wonderful experience
Beautiful.
to be here with you guys. And I gotta tell you, it was 33 degrees.
All the way in from Las Vegas. Beautiful. 3100 Chevy. What a nice, beautiful car. But check this out. Steve's Nova, that thing is so badass. He had a roar on this. That headrest built into the roll cage.
The 38, we used to do that.
You have a flat floor back there.
Yeah, because it didn't have a, we took the seat out that was in the back there.
Beautiful. Wow, he talking about a go fast. Just heard him talking about doing a Willys.
Auxiliary tanks, everything.
67.
Tons of wire.
Box Nova.
Johnny, where's your car?
Steve Carpenter.
I know
Wow.
I know where you're at. I just
Wow, look at that Ford truck. What up? Man, last week it's Fabulous Fords, and now it's Concours. You guys never take a break.
Next week it'll be the
Steel Beach. Yep. I'll see you down there.
it could be worse. It could
Yeah.
be the Concours Ferrari.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, keep posting up, all right?
Will do.
Appreciate it. Mulholland Roadster.